Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really exciting product to review that's perfect for anyone interested in the art of baking homemade bread. We found the Cultures for Health Sourdough Kit, which includes everything you need to start your sourdough bread making journey. You can check out the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The Cultures for Health Sourdough Starter Jar Kit comes with a mason jar equipped with a secure lid, designed specifically for nurturing your own sourdough starter. This kit is more than just a jar. It includes a dehydrated San Francisco sourdough starter culture, along with essential baking supplies that make the entire process straightforward and enjoyable. One of the standout features of this kit is the mason jar. It's not just any jar, it's a high-quality ball mason jar that allows you to keep your starter fresh and ready for baking. The secure lid ensures that your starter is protected from contaminants while allowing it to breathe, which is crucial for creating that perfect sourdough flavor. Another important highlight is the ease of use. This kit is designed for beginners and seasoned bakers alike. Sourdough is one of the most forgiving cultures to work with, which means that even if you're new to bread making, you'll find this process approachable and rewarding. The dehydrated culture provided gives you a chance to learn about the feeding process before you actually start baking. This is particularly helpful for anyone who may feel a bit intimidated by the idea of starting their own sourdough. The kit also includes an elastic band that wraps around the jar, allowing you to mark when you last fed your starter. This simple yet effective tool helps you keep track of your starter's feeding schedule, ensuring it remains active and healthy. It's these little details that make the Cultures for Health Sourdough Kit user-friendly and accessible. So, who is this kit suitable for? If you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of sourdough or a more experienced baker wanting to experiment with new flavors, this kit is ideal for you. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys the hands-on experience of bread making and appreciates the nuances of traditional baking. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Once you've established your sourdough starter, the possibilities are endless. You can create delicious loaves of bread that have that perfect crust and tangy flavor. If you're in the mood for something a little different, this kit allows you to make pizza dough, rye bread, and even artisan-style baguettes. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling a freshly baked loaf out of the oven, knowing you made it all from scratch. In addition to just baking bread, using this kit can be a fun family activity or a unique way to spend a cozy afternoon. You can gather with friends or family, share the process, and enjoy the fruits of your labor together. There's something truly special about baking bread that brings people together and creates lasting memories. In conclusion, the Cultures for Health Sourdough Kit is a fantastic way to embark on your sourdough journey, whether you're a novice or a pro. With its easy-to-follow instructions and high-quality supplies, this kit sets you up for success in homemade bread making. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.